Hey guys, John at Fix A Fence here for another comparison video for wood post mounts. Stanchial steel. The estimate today, and here's a picture of what it looked like. That was off a GoPro. My battery was dead on the Canon. Anyway, as you see by the picture, there's only a little weld here, okay? And it's a Simpson clip, but you know, the thing is if you put a wood post in here, you only have, what, 2.5, 3 inches for those screw to go in here. So if you're putting the fence post up on this thing here and this little bit of concrete, you know, then what's going to happen is it's going to sway back and forth. Eventually, it may even break, it's like you've seen in the picture. Now here's another Simpson clip, and by the way, I'm not getting paid by sponsor Simpson, okay? No. But they do have some good brackets. This one happens to be one I picked up, and you can sink this stuff into the ground, okay? And they give you a package of bolts here to bolt the post in. Now you can either do it two ways. You can either sink this down into the concrete first, and then apply your post and get on your knees and stuff like that. Or you can apply the post to this first and just sink it down into the concrete and hold it there plumb and walk away. But now here's another one. This is the one I get from Mr. Plywood. These ones here I get from Home Depot. This one here, oh yeah, baby. Look at this, Stanchial steel. This is a nice thick bracket here that you can stick the 4x4 into on, drill your holes through. You have to get one of those clamps to clamp it down, drill your hole through, and they give you bolts to put in there. And then you can hold it a couple of inches up off of here, right? Just a couple inches up off of the welded piece of pipe here. That way it gives it concrete to get up under there and it holds it out of the ground. Tighten these a lot better than these ones here, because once these are in, they're stripped out and they can't get any tighter. That's it, done. But this one here, you're going to have a nice through bolt here, 3/4 inch ratchet, a nice through bolt that it'll tighten up. I've done it before. I've seen these on other fence lines, and I shake the fence. All I do is tighten them up, and it tightens the fence right up. Stanchial steel. These are the best brackets that I found for wood fence posts, okay? Stanchial steel. Be in another video, so stay tuned for that. And that's all about these flange posts here. Now Simpson's got some flange posts too that you can stick in your concrete wedge anchor concrete surface and set your post that way. Now these other ones, I'll show you that in the next video, so stay tuned. John at Fix A Fence, another comparison video on wood post mounts. Stanchial steel. Keep smiling and have a great day.